You look crazy, Ava. Why she looks so freaking evil right now. Trying to use a tearjerker to work for me. It does not work, Ava. It doesn't work. I'm the king of tearjerkers. I used to cry all the time when I was a kid.
No, you're not.
Yeah, it doesn't work. I'm the king. You can't pull your trick on me.
Stop recording me.
Ah!
It's gonna come true. It's gonna come true. I see the real person that I never seen.
Y'all hungry? You want to watch me cook? Too bad. Because today we're going to cook some chili dogs, Stephen style. First you got to cook up some chili. And then you get some garlic and some parsley and butter. Yeah, mix that around, melt that. You get some Hawaiian style, the kiwi, whatever it's called, Hawaii style, onion. You cut this motherfucker up. Okay, now here's the weird part. Take a knife, cut around the edges, push it down. Take your garlic butter and a little thing right here, rub that in there. Like, rub it all in there. After you butter that up, you put some cheese down each one. Then you put some chili down there, and then after that, stuff the hot dog down there. Stuff it down there. Add more chili, more cheese, then onion. I add some jalapenos on mine, you know. Put the oven to 350, put it in there for 25 minutes. Catch. And now we wait. Nah. Then you take the mofos out, add some more cheese on that. Then sour cream, baby. Just some chili cheese Fritos.